I'm Charles Gray and I'm founder of Hair in Motion Education. So the Circle membership is a place where people can come together, join a community, learn and grow from watching different types of videos that will elevate them in the men's hairdressing industry today. So Circle members are going to benefit from being on the platform by learning from a whole array of world-class educators that specialise in different areas of the men's education. They're going to have online education at their fingertips to learn in their own time and at their own pace. So I'd say that the way the platform is set out, it's aimed at every single level of stylist, whether you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced. There's haircutting tutorials and digital lectures and educational videos for growing your business in all areas and aspects from beginner to advanced. So in terms of the video content that's actually on the platform, we have everything from fading to long hair, mid-length hair, from texturing, creative cuts, to building a brand, to consultations. We have literally thought about every single element and aspect of a modern day men's hairdresser and put it into a digital format that is growing at an unprecedented rate. So the best way to join the platform is simply heading straight to the Circle membership on the website and choosing whether you want to go on a monthly or a yearly subscription, and you will instantly gain access to the whole platform. I'm super excited for everyone to explore the platform.